Let's make pasta with these 6 ingredients: raw pasta, salt, milk, fresh cream, cheese, and olive oil. Take 1 liter of water and let it boil. While it's boiling, add 1 tablespoon of salt. After it's boiled, add 400 grams of raw pasta. Strain out the water. Add 3 teaspoons of olive oil into a pot under a large flame. Add 375 milliliters of fresh cream. Add half cup milk. Add cheese as you want. We want it cheesy, so we're adding a lot. Add half tablespoon salt. Add seasoning. This is optional. And whisk. Now that's our sauce done. We just need to add the pasta to it. Top it off, add some more seasoning. Again, this is optional. And whisk it nicely. Now serve.
Excellent.